In this video, we are going to unbox the AC2, a powerful networked two-door controller kit that supports up to 126 doors by standard fire safety. Upon opening the box, you will see the system diagram and controller. For your convenience, the box has English and French labels. Inside the box, you will also find a USB key, 4 screws, and 4 anchors. Carefully remove the foam covers and plastic bag. Along with the access controller, you will receive 2 small boxes containing the card readers. Each box contains the card reader base and body. Two screws and 2 anchors. Access cards and keychains can be purchased separately. For more information about this product or any other of our products, please visit our website at standardfs.com.